Yeah, I am an artist, YB the X, young boy, mfana kagogo Manikwe. Yeah, I've been making music for 5 years.
5 years now.
Yeah, yeah, it's real lot, bro. Like energy, i-pace yami ayifana le ndlela la I've been ndihamba ngayo. So yeah. I think it disadvantage because the way engicinga ngayo mna yabo icinga like ingathi like suka le ndawo ndicingela kuyo kuba ndingafike like
ngeyiphi lo ndawo?
se like city places like ezikanjalo. Yeah, I think because like there's a lack of ubambiswana yabo. Like Louis and the Amanika, they are pushing away like but endlela ecinga ngayo like ukuthi i-community ayihlangananga ncam just because ukuthi ubambiswano alukho for kwiway lokuthi like sibeke umculo wethu kwindawo efanele kuba sibe khona to represent la suka khona the way la ibizana for hip hop. I think hip hop now because umuntu like andaba like ngayibeka kanjani like ukuthi ukuba like umuntu like yena ucinga the same way ba like yena kweyakhe indawo like isethatha ukuthi like sehlulekile kuye esenzayo yabo but akathanda ukuthatha la way ba meqhubeke like tubeka i-hip hop yethu yasebizana yabo because they are like banye but they are sound like ba represent enye indawo yabo like not ilena but the culture yethu like yafuneka la bamele you represent if culture yakho because la usuka khona where you are born. Music wami inspiration like nature bro, the culture like for izinto ezenziwa physically and emotionally like na like izinto like ezenza personality yami nekuthi yabantu like umculo like uba ukuphilisa abantu vele. Like inspiration like kuba kumna kwami like ukuthi days abantu like abakholelwayo kulento endiyenzayo so low way like ukuthi bengicelele bendiphamandla ukuthi like qhubeka ntwana yabo qhubeka kwiway oyenzayo like we love it yabo siyayithanda kakhulu. Yeah, so inspiration like ukuthi mele ngikhuphuke yeah. Ama-artist adinga like ubambiswano and like iwe ba uyikhumbula like culture yakho buya kuyo yabo like then ungabanaki like abantu abanga like abayibhekele phansi like iwe yenzayo so and keep moving, keep going bro yabo because I'm upcoming now. I'm like nalantu like if singabambisana ezebhizana kwindawo like cause nami ngumuntu safuna ukukhula yabo safuna ukukhula kwi-music and I need people like abantu like so sebenzana nabo ukuze into ethu ikhule like irepresente ibhizana. Yeah, like we like ngingasho like ukuthi yenza into yakho yabo yenza into oyithandayo and believe on that kuyo nto uyenzayo and uzobona trust me uzophumelela trust me. Like if ufuna YB the X you can search me Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Ku-Instagram you can search Axolile Mabhula but kwezinye ni YB the X YB space DA space EXII nakulokhuzana kwi-Spotify uzolifumana like usearche ningoma engisanda kuyisa like I last year ithi sendifikile uyosearcha like YB the X ngizobona. Shout out to EBCC Bizarra Creative Collective. Danko.